All right, Jake from Saipan here. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take out the blower motor for my furnace. I have a American Standard furnace right there. So blower motor, the blower's making noise. It's kind of shaking this whole thing. When it shuts off, you would hear the fan kind of slowly come to a stop. So what I'm gonna do here is take up a couple screws. So let me show you real quick. All right, so this is the blower motor. So this one right here, the exhaust. What I gotta do is take this guy off, this off, that off, and then I'm gonna take the switch panel off. And there's a couple screws up here on the side. And once I pull that off, then it's just taking this guy off. So I'll show you guys step by step. I'll be back. All right, so I took the exhaust, I guess, tube out, unscrewed the circuit board, and then took those little screws off. On each side there was 6, and that's the fan in there. So now I got to take out 1, and he's down there. 2, that's it. Then pull this guy out. All right, I'll make another one when I got it pulled out. All right, got the blower motor out. That was pretty easy. A lot easier than putting an atomic EFI fuel injection into this guy right here. Anyways, I got the blower motor out. What I did with these wires was I took a picture so that I know exactly where to put them back. That's the front side, and this is what's going on here. So it's kind of rough, and I'm hoping, I've never worked on these before. I'm hoping it's just, I just got to tighten something, hopefully. So we'll see. I'll go from there. Anyways, let's see right here. That is the inside.